Does your current social media strategy feel like it's hitting a wall? If so, it's time to delve into the world of social media metrics. These numbers, whether they're likes, shares, or comments, can be your guiding light to understanding your audience's preferences and interactions. Think of each social media platform as a different party. You wouldn't wear the same outfit to a black tie gala as you would to a beach barbecue, right? Similarly, each social media platform has unique metrics that can help you tailor your content for maximum impact. For instance, Instagram might value likes and comments, while retweets and shares might be the currency of Twitter. Understanding these differences and what they mean for your content is key to resonating with your audience across all platforms. So, the next time you're planning your social media strategy, remember, to captivate your audience, it's crucial to understand each platform's unique metrics. Who are the people behind those likes and shares? A crucial question indeed. Unravel this mystery by delving into your audience demographics. Understanding the age, location, and lifestyle of your viewers is a game-changing move. It allows you to create content that truly resonates with them, matching their preferences and interests. This isn't just about making content, it's about crafting an experience. Remember, tailoring content to your audience's interests will bring your social media strategy to a new level. Ever wondered why some posts perform better than others? It's all about content performance evaluation. Look at your top performing posts. What do they have in common? Maybe it's the tone, the subject, or even the time they were posted. Understanding what made these posts successful is like finding a treasure map. It guides you to replicate that success in future content by mirroring what works. Identifying your successful posts will give you a roadmap to creating more content that strikes a chord with your audience. Do you know when your audience is most active on social media? This is the golden question that can transform your content strategy. Timing is everything in the realm of social media. It's about catching your audience when they're most receptive, ready to engage, and eager to share. So, how do you find that perfect moment? That's where your analytics come in. They can reveal the peak times your audience is active, allowing you to schedule posts strategically for maximum visibility and engagement. But remember, social media is a dynamic beast. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to continually refine your strategy. Analyze your metrics, adapt to evolving trends, and tweak your content to match your audience's changing tastes. Don't be afraid of change. Embrace it. Use it to your advantage. With the right timing and continual refinement, your social media content will reach more people and create more engagement.